This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming carrier Esim support and that your Motorola Edge 50 Fusion runs the latest updates. Once done, open Settings and tap Network and Internet. Make sure Wi-Fi is active so downloads won't fail. You'll need the carrier QR or activation code. Keep it visible. Next, tap Add Carrier, choose Scan QR code or enter details manually, and follow on screen prompts to start the Esim provisioning process. This sets up the secure profile that your phone will use to access cellular service. You now configure the Esim profile itself. Scan the carrier QR or type the SMDP Plus and activation code. When prompted, pick whether this Esim will be your primary data line or a secondary line for travel. This matters for billing and SMS routing. Make sure to assign the Esim to mobile data and enable voice if needed, then set data roaming preferences before confirming. During activation, the phone contacts the carrier. Be patient and make sure Wi-Fi stays connected until you see signal and carrier name. To finish, test a call, send an SMS, and browse to verify mobile data. If you use dual SIM, switch default outgoing line in settings to confirm call and message routing. This ensures apps use the intended line. If activation fails, restart the phone, re-scan the QR, and confirm the carrier activated the profile on their server. When nothing helps, contact carrier support for SMDP Plus provisioning. Finally, only remove and re-add the Esim if the carrier asks you to, because that can erase activation state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.